Pictures are powerful medium. They can inform, amuse, shock, amaze, and if presented in a right manner, they can be beautiful and creative. Are you creative and imaginative? Do you have an eye for aesthetic detail and composition? Do you enjoy presenting things visually and communicating ideas to others through the photographs? Is photography more than a hobby to you? And do you feel ripple of excitement when you imagine displaying your art to others? If your answer to all these questions is yes, then this passion can offer you a lot as a profession in photography. Hi all, this is Pratik and we'll be taking you through this discipline as a host on this episode of Skills Gateway, brought to you by Million Lights. Sometimes back, the idea of being a professional photographer might not have been appealing to many people, but today, a lot of people want to be photographers. The rise of mass communication and growing importance of media and fashion is probably a factor which has led to this change. Many imagine the lifestyle of photographer to be exotic, wherein they meet the rich and the famous and travel first class around the world at someone else's expense. Well, this can be proved to be true for you if you are talented and hardworking and you understand that there is no formal career structure in photography. There is a chance that you might be clicking pictures at a play school in your locality, but you could also be clicking photographs at a Cannes red carpet. Photography is unique and creative medium of self-expression. It is an art form requiring aesthetic sense as well as technical expertise. Now let me take you through the educational eligibility to pursue photography as a career. There is no specific academic requirements for full-time courses in photography. However, candidates who have cleared 10+2 exams are eligible for the diploma or certificate courses in photography. There are many students who learn photography along with their college degrees, doing a part-time course. Besides the certificate and diploma courses in this field, photography is also offered as an optional subject in bachelor's degree in fine arts. Personal attributes. Successful photographers are creative individuals who can think and communicate in visual terms. They are able to interpret clients' needs, translating their ideas into images that work. A professional photographer must have full knowledge and command over the variety of cameras, lights and props and all kinds of photography techniques. They should have a sense of light and shade and the magic of colors. Photographers must have creativity, determination, good powers of observation. They must also have the ability to work quickly under pressure, in difficult conditions and irregular hours. Some of the institutions offering courses in photography are Certificate Course in Basic Photography, Certificate Course in Advanced Photography, Certificate Course in Fashion Photography, Certificate Course in Photojournalism, Diploma in Fashion Photography, Diploma in Motion Picture Photography, and a simple Diploma in Photography. Talking about job prospects in photography. One of the most exciting aspects of photography is the variety of jobs available in the field, ranging from highly specialized technical work to jobs that require creativity and visual literacy. One can begin your career as an assistant of a senior or professional photographer so that he or she can grasp the finer points in photography. Photographers can specialize in areas such as portrait, commercial and industrial, advertising, scientific, fashion, news, wildlife photography, etc. They have the option to either take up the jobs with newspapers, magazines, advertising agencies, government agencies, industrial houses, or work as a freelancer. Special areas of work for photographers are photojournalism. Photojournalists work for newspapers and news magazines who commission them to provide photographs for newsworthy events, things and situations. Photojournalists combine an ability to find, record dramatic action with the photographic talent. The job requires agility and may often be carried in a hazardous situation. Fashion. Fashion photography is one of the most lucrative form of photography. Fashion photographers cater a variety of clients, fashion houses, designers, portfolios for models, fashion journals and newspapers. They are required to have an eye for detail and knowledge of fashion. Fashion photographers are aware of styles, moods and fashion trends. Food photography. Food photographers work for food manufacturers, hotel and restaurants, exporters, dairy and ice cream companies. Photographs are shot either in the studio with an attached kitchen or in hotel for exclusive shots. Industrial photography. Industrial photographers photograph workers on the job, machinery, industrial layout, prominent places in the industry, etc. These photographs are used in company publications or for an ad campaign. Industrial photography demands knowledge for industry as well as an equipment. Wildlife photography. Wildlife photographers have interest in nature, wildlife, birds and their habitats, keen observations, patience and an eye for interesting detail and love of adventure. Animals, natural habitats and surrounding are photographed. Wildlife photographers have a wait for art to catch the animal in right mood and pose. Work is carried on in sanctuaries, forests and reserves. The task being challenging is very remunerative. Travel photography. The documentation of area's landscape, people, culture, custom and history is one of the most sought after photography options. Especially in India, freelancing has been most popular career choice among photographers. Photographers who want to be self-employed need to have business management skills. They must have good communication, problem-solving skills and able to work independently. Looking into remuneration. Photographers can start working as an assistant to senior photographer, in which capacity they are paid around Rs 3.5k to 6k. Your earning can go up to 25k depending upon the designation and organization. Likewise, maybe more once you have established yourself as a freelancer. With the explosion of communication network, the growth of advertising and media, and the fashion boom and the digital photography, it has now become a profession with great commercial value. Photos are an essential part in both print and electronic media. So this is an area offering great scope for those who have interest and attributes needed to be a professional. That's all for this session. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, you can find us on Facebook and Twitter. For more information, log on to our website www.millionlights.org, or you can give us a missed call on 022 30 77 8274. This is Pratik signing off. Keep watching Skills Gateway and stay tuned to Million Lights.
Hi, I'm Sam. I learned how to organize and interpret all my office data with the help of data science course. Thanks to Million Lights for providing me this course. Now I can easily handle all my data and tasks. I made it. You can also do it. For that, you just have to enroll for the data science program by Million Lights. In the program, you'll get 10 courses in data science along with 8 skills, 16 to 32 hours training per course, and certification from Microsoft. So, hurry up and sign in now on millionlights.org.